Hi, my name is Justina Moreno, and this is part 2 of Screencast number 2. In this part, we will be talking about learning disabilities and LRE. So first, we're going to talk about the provisions of PL 94142. First, in 1969, it was first enacted to help improve the lives of children and adults with LD. And then in 1975, there was equal opportunities, and then it provided programs to meet educational needs and FAPE in LRE. In 1986, everything from 1975 was included, but it extended services to at-risk and developmentally delayed infants and toddlers. And then in 1990, it still continued with everything from 1975, but with a broader range of disabilities. So then we're going to talk about the parent rights and the law. It's important to mention that the intent of the laws is that parents will be involved in each step of the evaluation and the planning processes, and it is a legal requirement that parents be given a copy of their rights. And here we have a list of all the rights that parents have. Pretty lengthy, which is awesome. Now we're going to talk about the court case of Roncher versus Walter. In this court case, the court decided to give schools information about how to educate children with disabilities in LRE. And they decided schools have to serve children with disabilities in a non-segregated setting when the necessary supports could be provided to make that setting appropriate. Now we'll talk about Law 34 CFR 300-116E. This law states that students with disabilities cannot be removed from general education because they need modifications to the general curriculum. The Universal Dedication Vision Statement. As you can see, it's a pretty lengthy statement, but to shorten it, it says that schools have to require options be available in general education programs with general education teachers. Now we'll look at the highly qualified provisions of 20 U.S.C. 140110 and 34 CFR 318. Again, this is a lengthy law, but as we can see, it says that there needs to be highly qualified special education teachers to revise that specialized instruction, and that if parents have a problem with it, that they can challenge it through the court. LRE and Section 504. For this section, it just says that the placement must be comparable to those in the regular school or regular education, like Gen Ed. So yeah. And we will continue in part 3. Thank you.